Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the easiest modular box that I've ever made. I'm not sure who is the original creator of this, but you'll need 3 sheets of paper. I'm using 3 sheets of my gel printed paper, and this is actually Yasutomo's pure paper that I have gel printed. So it's a nice sturdy paper, a little bit thicker than regular origami paper, and you also need some kind of glue. I'm just using some white glue here, but you're just going to need to fold these exactly the same way, so I'm going to just show you how. Fold the paper in half, point to point, triangle, in a triangle, and then you're going to take the points and you're going to fold them down, or the edges, fold them down to the bottom point on both sides. Like this. Now open it up and you're going to take the entire bottom flap and you're going to fold it right up to just below that top line there. And what I like to do is, just to make this a little easier, I put a little bit of a spot of glue to hold these 2 pieces together. Let's make 2 more exactly the same. Now that you have all 3 pieces made, you're just going to insert one piece inside the other, just like this. Just slide it until it locks completely, until it's completely flush on the side. Like this. And then just slide the next one in. And then the last part is to slide the last piece in. Just like that. And the very last part, just to hold things together, is I put a little bit of glue right at the bottom, just a touch, just to hold them together. Doesn't have to be a lot, but just a little bit, and that kind of secures it. And you can make them in all kinds of colors and sizes, and they're beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this one. This one's a really simple, easy to make origami triangle bowl.